Shit. Oh God, stop! There's a piece of
Hear him
troll
say,
there.
"You fucking idiot."
Did you say that?
Yeah.
I heard one of them earlier say, shit! And Mom says, you don't want to hear that. Oh my God. I'm going to the front yard now.